Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Fallen, and welcome to our brand new channel, Sputnik Finance. In this channel, we're going to be focusing on all things finance, helping you guys make a dollar and save a dollar, especially that we're still in the middle of a pandemic, and every single dollar carries a lot of weight. So anything from e-commerce, trading, investing, couponing, promotions, discounts, etc. I will be covering on this channel. So if you're interested in finance or how to make a dollar or save a dollar, please consider clicking that subscribe button so you'll be the first one to notified when the next video drops. I would sincerely appreciate that. So the topic of today's video is how you can get up to 40% back off your purchases in Bitcoin. So it's a combination of two different companies, Lolli and Cash App Card. For people who are not familiar with Lolli, Lolli is a browser extension that pays you back in Bitcoin off your purchase price. And they have hundreds of merchants that they have partnered up. They actually constantly keep adding merchants. And if you haven't tried Lolli and interested in giving Lolli a try, click our referral link in the description of this video. You're going to get $10 additionally to your discount price the first time you make a purchase. Like I said, it works great with Google Chrome, and they are in constant consideration adding more browsers. But you might say, hey, Fallen, I see 27%, I see 13.5%, I see 6%. Well, once again, they have a variety of merchant partnerships. You see all sorts of cash back associated with it. Yes, you do see a lot of 3.5%, 1%. They actually recently partnered up with eBay, which is crazy, and Best Buy. So you see these two right here. They added them over the holiday season, so more and more merchants will be added. But let's take a look at these two. Lolo Technologies, Ivacy VPN, McAfee, etc. They're in the 36 to 31% range. But you might say, hey, that's still not 40%. Well, this is why we're not done here. So it actually, like I said, it takes two different elements to make 40% come true. Now, hopefully nobody's going to be complaining about getting 36% back of that purchase price in Bitcoin, but you can get even more. So let's do that. Creditcards.com did a wonderful write-up. We're not affiliated with creditcards.com whatsoever, but I tried to set up my BlueStacks so I can mirror you guys and show you how it fully works. For some reason, with the new OS X operating system, I was struggling with a little bit, but hopefully we can have it set up for the next couple videos. But I'll guide you guys through the walkthrough of how to activate your boosts on your Cash App card after you have it set up. So we're starting at the point you set up your account, you already have your card with you, they mailed you in the mail, and you are ready to take advantage of this. So first of all, you open up the app, and this is what you're greeted with. You're greeted with the Cash App menu, which hopefully many of you are familiar with it at this point in time. So then you would click on the card icon, and then you should be able to click on boosts. So Cash App and Cash Card constantly adding boosts. I've seen a variety of boosts come and go over the past few months, but the most interesting part of it is that they actually recently launched Bitcoin boosts, and that's something that wasn't there a few months ago. For people who are not familiar, Cash App is owned by Jack Dorsey. Jack Dorsey is their CEO. And Jack Dorsey is a huge cryptocurrency and Bitcoin advocate. And I feel like this is one of his reasonings to start spreading more Bitcoin awareness. Bitcoin is at all-time highs as of recording this video on January 5th, 2021. JP Morgan, news outlets, everybody and their grandmothers are talking about Bitcoin nowadays. Now we'll see where it goes through the rest of 2021. I hope that it's going to keep going up. But this is kind of guides you through, but I want to scroll right here where it talks about earn 5% worth of Bitcoin on 3 purchases. Minimum purchase price of $1.50. Maximum BTC earned is $7.50. So think about what would it be 5% of your equivalent purchase price. Now, once again, these boosts reset on a weekly basis. Some boosts stay and some boosts go. For example, if we scroll down a little bit, USPS is a boost that they had for quite some time, and I'll be talking about that boost in a future video about e-commerce and shipping and how to make some money. But I actually used this boost this evening. I had to drop off some packages at my local post office, and I got 20% off my total USPS bill, which is crazy because that can increase your profit margins by quite a big amount if you think about it and if you use it on a daily basis. And all you need is, like I said, swipe and use the boost. Now, many of these boosts you can only use once per hour, but hopefully you're not going to USPS more than once an hour. But going back to it, Bitcoin is something that they have added recently. And now I do hope that they keep Bitcoin as its current boost for extended weeks. I already maximized my Bitcoin boosts for this week, and they reset on every, like I said, I think in 3 days that they reset for the weekly count. So if you guys are watching this video, check your Cash App card, see if you can add the Bitcoin boost. So if we take the 5%, and then we decide to make a purchase with McAfee, we're at 36.5% back. If we use IBC VPN, that's 41% back. If we look at Lolo Technologies, 41% back. Biogetica, 35% off. Quickstart, 32% off. You guys get the idea. And you just add the two boosts. Now, Lolly cashback does take some time for it to clear. They just want to make sure they don't make a purchase and then return it. And then, like I said, their funds are going to be reversed back as well, and they don't want to be out of the money. So it depends on the merchant. Whatever is the refund window is for that particular merchant, that's how long your funds are going to be tied for. And once again, guys, if you haven't tried Lolly and you want to give Lolly a shot, click our referral link in the description. You're going to get $10 additionally back in Bitcoin on top of your purchase boost and hopefully on top of your Cash App card. Now, hypothetically speaking, your boost could be more than your original purchase price. Now you might say, how would that work? Let's say you purchase right now something that gives you 22.5% back with Pure VPN. Now, Bitcoin is trading about $34,000 right now. If Bitcoin keeps going higher and higher and higher and gets close to that $100,000 benchmark that some analysts are predicting it, your cashback is going to be more than your original purchase price. Does that kind of make sense? So that's kind of crazy to think about, that you make a purchase right now and you get that purchase for free, or even actually more than free in the future. So if you stack the two components, like I said, Cash App card and Lolly, you can make some Bitcoin back. Now the nice part is that with Cash App card, that bonus, that 5% bonus, hits your account instantly. So you can do anything you want with that Bitcoin. You can automatically just sell it back to cash, or if you want to transfer it to an outside wallet or an exchange, which we'll be covering future in this channel, you can fully do that. So you get 5% back instantly, and then depending on the merchant that you use on Lolly, it can take you anywhere from 30 to 90 days. That's the trend that we've seen so far. And they have hundreds of merchants on Lolly. And this is not a sponsored video by Lolly. It's just, I love them. There's a couple other browser extensions like Honey, Capital One has one, but Lolly is my favorite, especially if you're a huge cryptocurrency fan, or if you want to start collecting Bitcoin by just shopping online, something that all of us do pretty much on a constant basis. Is that I just hope that they add Amazon. If they add Amazon, Bitcoin is going over $100,000. But this is going to be our first video on this channel, guys. Show some love if you guys want to like this kind of content. If you want to learn more about finance, trading, investing, cryptocurrency, stocks, bonds, options, how to make money with e-commerce, and this is going to be our first free resource that we're going to be launching. Hopefully in the near future, we'll be coming out with e-free guides and maybe even e-free courses that we'll be putting out. Like I said, everything we want to do is share knowledge with you guys, and hopefully you can do the same in return with some of your friends and family. If you guys want to stay in touch with us, all the social media links are in the description of this video. The videos on this channel will be coming out Tuesday and Thursday, and if you guys have seen our Sputnik Entertainment videos, those videos will be coming out Monday and Wednesday. Our goal is to make this channel 5 videos a week eventually, but right now we're focusing on interesting concepts for you guys to review. Actually, a Brave browser, which is the browser that we're using to film this video, is something we'll be covering in the future. And actually, you can make money by just browsing on the web, but you have to stay tuned for those videos. So once again, guys, if you want to be the first one to be notified when the next video drops, click that bell and subscribe buttons. Sincerely helps us launch this new project that we've been thinking about and discussing for the past few months. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.